You want to make a similar popper like this?
We will also show you how to make a party popper.
For the popper toy, you will need foam noodles and
Balloon, pom-poms, and tape.
cut a piece of the foam noodle. Now cut the top part of the balloon. Fix the cut part to the noodle. It should look like this when you're done. Now tape it onto the foam noodle.
Let's go.
Now I've put the tape over the foam noodle. Now put the pom-pom inside the hole.
Oh, I have poppers already. Oh.
Have you ever wondered of making your own party popper? You've come to the right video. You will need a balloon, tissue roll, confetti or small pieces of paper, and some paper to decorate the outside. First, cut the top part of the balloon and attach it to the tissue roll. Stick the decorated paper onto the tissue roll. Now your party popper is almost ready. Now you just need to fill it in with confetti or tiny pieces of paper. We used tiny pieces of tissue paper. While putting the confetti, make sure you hold your balloon tight. If you want to make a simple dandelion painting, check the description below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.
Please subscribe.
There's a land sign at
Ah.